Hey everyone, welcome to Geometry with Miss Negron. Today we will be discussing how to construct an altitude and an orthocenter. An altitude is a perpendicular line segment from a vertex to the opposing side. Here we will be constructing the altitude from point B to the opposing side AC. This is going to be the exact same construction as a perpendicular bisector through a point that is not on the line. So just like in that video, we're going to use point B as our point that is not on our line. So you're going to put the eye in point B, and then you're going to draw an arc that intersects your opposing side AC. This is going to give you two new points of reference in which you are going to draw your perpendicular bisector. So you're going to put the eye on the first point of reference, radius on the second, and you're going to draw an arc. Keeping the same radius, move the eye to the other point of reference and draw a second arc that intersects the first. Now you're going to line up vertex B and you're going to draw a line straight down. This will now give you your altitude. An orthocenter is a construction of three altitudes, and their point of intersection is called the orthocenter. So you're going to do the same construction 3 times onto the other triangle. So same thing. First, I'm going to draw an altitude from B to segment AC. So put the eye on B, and you're going to draw an arc that intersects that line segment. This will now give you 2 new points of reference. Put the eye on the first point of reference and radius on the second, and you're going to draw your first arc. Then you're going to move the eye to the other side and you're going to draw the exact same thing. Line up the points of intersection with your opposing vertex and draw a line straight down. That will represent your first altitude. Now you're going to do the same thing from point A through BC. So from point A, you're going to put the eye on A and you're going to draw an arc that goes through BC. In this specific case, the arc does not go through the line twice, so we're going to extend our line outwards. Then we're going to construct a perpendicular bisector using the 2 new points of reference that we have. 1, come back around, and draw the second. Then you're going to line up your intersection points with line segment A and draw an altitude. Now, your orthocenter can either be within the triangle or outside of the triangle, whereas for a centroid, as seen in a different video, will be inside of the triangle. So just so you can clearly see the altitudes, I'm going to re-highlight in orange. So here's your first altitude, and here's your second altitude. Where they intersect, I am now going to connect vertex C through that intersection point to show the third altitude. This intersection point of the 3 altitudes is known as your orthocenter. And that is how you construct an altitude and an orthocenter. Thank you for watching my video on how to construct an altitude and an orthocenter using a compass and a straight edge. For more videos on constructions, please check out the rest of my channel.